everybody doing today? So as you guys know, I'm Simple Forex. We're gonna keep this real simple, guys. I'm jumping into a buy. Reason why, it's going down to hit these marks multiple times and it's shot up because it hasn't been able to go through it. So I am taking that one chance, and as it goes down to shoot down to that mark again, I am going to go ahead and trade this to the upside. So I'm going to jump into a buy, trade it until it goes all the way up. I already set my take profit, so it would be at, my take profit would be taking me out at about $1.30. I'm also going to put my stop loss down here below it. Now, what normally does happen is the market likes to shoot through these marks right here because there's a lot of people that put automatic sells and automatic buys that can be issued if it triggered down at that point in the market, which are called buy stops and sell stops. Now, when these sell stops and buy stops are hit, it'll automatically trigger the person into a trade, whether they're looking at their screen or not looking at the screen, whether they take profits and stop losses on those moments or not. But at the moment, I'm getting a phone call, so let me pause this video and see who this is. Alright, so apparently that was Olivia calling on recorded line from Med Alert Pros. Since I'm not an old person, don't need that phone call. But what I did want to get into is really just showing you guys. Alright, so I'm already in the positive. Now I could have jumped in this trade with a way bigger lot size and made more money, but what I want to do while I'm demonstrating to you guys what I see in the market is I want to keep it small, simple, so you guys are able to see that even with a little bit of money you can trade the market up to any point in time. So I mean, I'm already at 53 cents. If I take that 53 cents and times it by 10 different trades, I just made $5 in a matter of what, it takes 30 minutes to make, it takes 30 minutes to maybe take 10 trades that'll be good trades. So I mean, in that little bit of time, it would take me 30 minutes to make $5 sitting on my ass, and instead of sitting and working a hard-working job, or just not having this as you having two jobs, so you could work this as your part-time and get residual income from this, and it'd be really easy for you to make money in the market. I mean, I understand that the last video I had, when I started this account, it was like $4.97 in the account. I'm at $5.77 right now. I mean, and I only started the account on the 1st of November, and it is only the 2nd of November, so in 2 days I made $77. And the point of that is simply just to tell you guys that it doesn't have to be something where you get rich really quick. It could be something where you use it as a part-time job. You just want to use it as something that's part-time to where you get your income right away. I'm actually going to take myself out of this trade because I'm not going to be able to pay attention to it and do anything with it. But what I also wanted to go into with you guys is just the fact that you can't be afraid to take a leap. You can't be afraid to take a leap of faith. When I first jumped into this market, I was scared. I didn't even want to put any money in. I put a bunch of money into my brokerage account, and I didn't even transfer it into my trading account because I was just scared to trade. And then, I mean, it took my wife to really just say, babe, you've been doing all this learning for so long. Why don't you go ahead and take a risk? And I said, you know what? You're right. And she also says something else to me. Also, she always says, remember, babe, slow and steady always wins the race. And from the childhood of the tortoise and the hare, you guys already know slow and steady wins the race, which is actually true. I mean, a lot of people are making a lot of money right now trading crypto, and that's great. I understand that. I mean, I made a few dollars trading crypto, and it's okay. I feel good about it, but that's not what it's about. That's the kind of thing that'll get people real hyped up into where they're throwing their last savings into certain cryptos and stuff like that, like they're trying to win the lottery. And that's not what it's about, okay? Do you really think the powers to be are out there to just let you make money? No. when I'm in these markets, I normally should be masked up because I'm robbing the banks. Literally, I'm literally in here taking money from the banks. Okay, so I mean, I know a lot of traders tell you guys that it's trader versus trader. Oh, and as you guys can see, it did go up to where my take profit was, but I already took it out a little earlier. That's okay, because I do honestly think the market does want to come back down and trade towards the downside. So I really want to wait for the liquidity to show me that it's ready to take out the liquidity that we've been gathering up so far, and it wants to go to the downside. So that's what I'm really waiting on. But I just wanted to demonstrate to you guys what's been going on. But like I was saying before, the crypto market, you could jump in it. You could jump in it to win it, and you never know, you know. But that's gambling, you know, because you don't understand the charts. I don't understand the crypto charts. I don't understand why it pumps and then dumps down so hard. Sometimes it'll show you some kind of structure in the candlesticks, but then sometimes it'll go completely opposite of what the structure is. When I'm trading Forex, usually structure matters, okay? When I see structure happen in these trades, it matters, guys. It matters a lot. So I just wanted to jump in this video, guys, kind of show you the trades I've been taking, show you what's been going on. If you look on the 4-hour time frame, what we see here is we've gone down to this nice zone here, this zone right here, which I actually want to put another. I really shouldn't take this out, but you know, 1750, that's a major zone that I'm ready for. But what we've done now, guys, is we've gone down to this support zone right here, so 1786. So we've gone down to the 1786 mark, guys, and what we've seen is that it's given a little bit of resistance off the 1786. But like I said, guys, there's a lot of liquidity in that 1786. And if you look at history, as you can see, there's points in here where I'm going to show you right now. There's points right here, right here, right here, where it goes up, comes down to the liquidity, and then breaks through it. So it broke through it down here, it broke through it here. It looks like it wants to break through right here. Now, if it breaks through, it usually breaks through before past the last part of liquidity. So, I mean, what I'm going to see is that it's going to at least get to the 1771. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. 1771. There's also liquidity right over here at the 1764. And, I mean, honestly, guys, you guys can obviously see this is what a market should look like, okay, before it really wants to go up to the big side. All right, so that's what a market should look like, guys. It shouldn't be crazy like crypto looks. Now, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna go over and put some crypto on my screen just so you guys can see what's been going on with this crypto, okay? No, I'm not gonna put it on the screen. I'm gonna put it on the euro. So I'm gonna go over and throw this crypto. This is XRP. Okay, look at these charts, guys. Look, it's pumping right now. So what it's doing right now while it's pumping is it does this thing where it pumps up real big and it shoots all the way down here. And then to get you going, you know, it pumps for a second and shoots down. It gets you going, it pumps, shoots, shoots. Gets you going for a little bit, and now it's pumping. It came to rest for a little bit, and this is where everybody knew it most likely was going to go up and then shoot down again. But nope, what did it do? Go up, and it looks like it's going to continue up for a while. But instead of me jumping in that trade, which it actually takes a little bit more money to jump in that trade, what I'm deciding on doing is waiting to not trade that. Because I already have utilities in the market where I need my money at, and I don't need to be flustered with the stress of trying to trade crypto when I don't need to. I kind of wanted to just get on here and rant about, you know, just the different things I've been seeing in the market, you know, just the different things I've been seeing. What I've also noticed, guys, is that there is a lot of get-rich-quick schemes out there, and I don't want you guys to be flustered with thinking that you guys need to be in the market. Oh, I might have missed out on a trade. I could have traded. Oh no, did it go down to the same zone again and go back up? Yep, yes it did. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna actually pull up for you guys an RSI, and on this RSI, as you can see, I'm gonna put two little lines here for you. The market went from here to here on this side and went down from here to here on this side, candle to candle. So what this is right here is called a divergence, where the market is actually going down, but on the RSI it's going up, which shows there's not a lot of strength on the market right now, and that we're looking to go towards the upside. So what I'm thinking is that what I'm thinking is that we are needing to go to about the 1785 range before we continue to go up, and that's about where we'll leave it at. But I'll talk to you guys on the next video, or I will add on to this video. But I haven't really decided yet. I just wanted to record a video for you guys. I've been working a lot, so I haven't had a chance to really jump on a video. But shout out to all the people that's been watching my videos. I do appreciate that. Please like and subscribe. I do need some subscribers, guys. I don't have a big fan base, so like and subscribe to my videos, and I'll be putting out more videos as much as I can. All right, peace and love. Simple Forex. We out.